Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be playing this washing machine game, and so this game is pretty fun. So my washing machine will be what is that smell? Oh, this one looks my. Yes. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe so I can buy a new keyboard. It's because my mom got mad at me, and she almost destroyed my keyboard. This is not good at all. Guys, please like and subscribe. I really want a new keyboard. Please. Can you get out right now? Because I have to record. My favorite washing machine is, let me see if it's there. I just found the Beko washing machine. My favorite. And there's this also. So I'm gonna wash these. Okay, I put them inside. Now let me put the things that can wash. Yes, that is my favorite lunch. Where is the button? Oh, there it is. Ooh, look at this. I love this game.
That makes no sense. Why does it
wash? Daily quick. I want a daily quick. I need a daily quick. Please. Come on, bruh. Oh, man. I want a daily quick. Daily quick. Okay, we are gonna do hand wash. Hand wash is 1 hour. Okay, let's start the time. Oh my goodness, look at the sound, everyone. Let me tell my mom. Okay. Whoa, look at this water, guys. 3 Beko washing machine. Bro, what the hell? 3 Beko washing machines. Holy freaking. Look at this Beko. Okay, let me check my the other ones. Another one. Okay, whatever. This is done. I'm gonna continue playing. What is your washing? Why is there your hat on your head? Why is there a hat on your head? What the heck? What do you mean? What do you mean? But what the Wait. Really? Whatever. This is not my favorite. Sister, let's rejoin. This washing machine is not my favorite. I'm gonna show you guys what is my favorite washing machine when me then leave if you're bored. Okay, let's go back in the game. So I'm gonna go into my best friend's private server. Come on. There it is. Yo, what's up? Yeah, what's up, my friend? Okay, we are joining back to the game. And I'm gonna try and show you what is my favorite one. What the heck? Okay, we are in the game, right? So, wait, let me change my graphics because I'm lagging. Then I'm gonna go back to graphics. So my favorite Beko is this one. Because it has this button over here. Look, you guys see that? Now let me change back to so come to my mother's live stream. She will stream anytime. Okay, let me put my shoes inside this stupid small wash. Ding ding. There you go. How can I close this? Oh, there you go. Now, the last thing I need is to turn it on. And that's gonna be 41 minutes. Okay, it's not that bad. It's a good washing machine. Oh, look at this washing machine. This is one of the favorite washing. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!